Hey guys, my name is Tim and today we're making another quick and super easy ramen recipes. In the last video I showed you how to make a super delicious miso ramen and ramen noodles. And today I show you how to make a quick curry coconut ramen. We will start with the half-boiled eggs because they need the longest time till they are ready. For the eggs we have to give some water into a pot. Then make a small hole in the eggshell with a needle and start to boil our eggs. I let them boil for about 4 to 5 minutes. It depends on your stove how long it takes to cook the eggs. Take the eggs out of the water, then cool them down, and while we're waiting for the eggs to cool down, we are making our marinade for the eggs. Give 1 cup of water into a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sake and 2 teaspoons mirin. Get right off the shell. Place the eggs in a container and keep it in the fridge for at least 6 hours but not more than 12 because the eggs will get too salty. Let's make a beautiful vegetable stock. In order to able to wash the leek well on the inside, I cut it in half, but I don't cut it all the way through. After you washed your leek, cut the leek roughly. Cut some celery, then take a carrot and cut it. The smaller you cut your vegetables, the faster your stock will be ready. But there's not too big of a difference, because a vegetable stock is ready in about 45 minutes. Take an onion and peel it, then cut it. Take some garlic and then smash it, so all the essential oils come out. Slice the ginger and cut some spring onions. Finely chop the green of the spring onion. We will use it as a topping for our ramen. And then the white part is for the broth. Of course you can add the skin of all vegetables except of the celery. I would never add the skin of the celery because it's almost impossible to get rid of all the dirt. Clean the mushrooms with some kitchen paper and then cut it into quarters. Let's make a bouquet garni from a bay leaf, thyme and rosemary. A bouquet garni is a bundle of herbs usually tied together with a string, but you can use a tea strainer as well. There's no standard recipes for a bouquet garni. The most recipes include thyme, bay leaf and parsley. I will use my broth for tomato soup, so I will add rosemary as well. Give all the vegetables into a pot and fill the pot with water. Add your bouquet garni and let it boil for 20 minutes. Then add your mushrooms and then cook it for another 25 minutes. Take the pot off the heat and sieve your broth. Season with salt and pepper. The vegetable stock is our base, but we want to process our stock to a delicious broth. So we will start to heat the stock again. We will add some creamy coconut milk and then some heated curry. Season with some soy sauce, mirin and freshly grated ginger. Add some mushrooms and then let it boil for another 5 minutes. Then we add some spinach, some lime juice and tofu. Let it boil for 5 more minutes. Finally we can take our ramen bowl and fill it up with our delicious curry broth. Give your fresh cooked ramen noodles into the bowl, and if you want to see how to make fresh ramen noodles, I will link them at the end. Garnish with your half-boiled eggs, mushrooms, spinach and some freshly chopped spring onion green on top. It's a super easy and fast recipes, and if you're interested in other ramen noodle videos and want to make a delicious char siu pork, just click on the other ramen video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you had a great day. I see you next time and bye!